Hello everyone. Today, we're going to create a simple but exciting program using Java NetBeans. Our topic is about JFrame, and we'll learn how to make a passcode program, just like the number lock on your phone. When you click the number buttons from 0 to 9, the numbers will appear on the screen. If the passcode you enter is correct, a new window will open. But if the passcode is wrong, the program will show incorrect password. Let's begin. First, open your NetBeans IDE. Click on File, then select New Project. Choose Java Application, and name it Passcode App. Once created, delete the main class because we'll use JFrames instead. Next, right-click on the Source Packages folder. Choose New right-pointing arrow JFrame form, and name it Login Frame. Then, create another JFrame form and name it HomeFrame. These will be our two windows, one for the login, and one for the welcome screen. Now, let's design the login frame. From the palette, drag and drop the following components. 1 JLabel for the display area, name it Display. 10 JButtons for the numbers 0 to 9. 1 Enter button and 1 Clear button. And finally, another JLabel for messages, name it Message. Arrange the buttons just like a keypad, 7, 8, 9 on the first row, 4, 5, 6 on the second, and so on. Below the buttons, place the Enter and Clear buttons side by side. Now that our design is ready, let's write the code behind the buttons. Double-click each button to open the code editor. For every number button, we'll use the same pattern. For example, for the button 1, type this line inside the btn1 action performed method. Display, setText, display, getText, +1. This means, every time we click button 1, the number 1 will be added to whatever is currently displayed on the screen. Do the same for all buttons, from 0 to 9. Just change the number inside the quotation marks.